box to show you. It's an unboxing of a Influenster Voxbox, and it's a Marc Jacobs one. Look. Really excited to receive this, really excited. So if you've never heard of Influenster, I will just tell you a little bit about it. So Influenster is a product review site. Anyone can sign up. If you've got social media accounts, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, loads of different accounts, then you can connect it to build an overall profile of you. Basically, the more followers and everything you've got, I'm assuming the better. That's what I was led to believe until I was given this box. So anyway, Influenster came to the UK recently, only in the last couple of months, and when I found out about it I was pretty excited because they send out boxes called Voxboxes, and in these boxes there are free beauty products for you to keep for free in exchange of a review, and that could be on social media, on YouTube channel, in a review actually on the Influenster website, and so on and so on. So yeah, so they send out like 1,000 or so of these boxes now and again, and when I heard about it I was thinking, nah, I'm not gonna, I'll sign up, but nah, I'm never gonna be picked, I'm never gonna be picked. But no, how wrong was I? So I am doing this video to say, go for it. You don't have to have a load of followers or subscribers or whatever you do, you don't have to. When I found out about this, I was signed up and I was a bit overwhelmed. The website is pretty difficult to navigate around, but that is coming from me, and I find things like that pretty difficult at the start. And then once I spend a bit of time getting my head around how the website works and what I have to do, then I'm fine. So anyway, so I signed up, connected all my social media accounts, give a little profile about who I was, and then I filled in 1 or 2 little product reviews, and I left it at that. I had an email now and again saying to be in for a chance of, getting a Voxbox to try. Then I had to enter the campaigns and all that, but then I couldn't understand what I had to do. So eventually I deleted the app because I just thought, oh, do you know what, it's just too whoosh for me. I deleted the app. So I thought, right, I'm going to have another look, because it could be a great opening, because obviously, I would love free things to review. So I did, and I thought, okay, there's a few questionnaires that came up. It took me about 10 minutes to go through answering all the questionnaires, and then I was given the option to upload a few reviews. So I thought, oh, okay, it's Friday night or whatever, I'll just fill in a few reviews, and that was it. So, and then you get emails saying, you have got your first badge, you have got your second badge. So it's like an accumulative ladder. The more you do, the more badges you get, the higher up the social ladder you get, and the more of a higher chance of you receiving a Voxbox to review. Didn't think anything of it. And then, literally about an hour, or not even less than that, I had an email saying, congratulations, I've been chosen for the campaign. This is the Voxbox, and it's Marc Jacobs Beauty. Super excited. I love Marc Jacobs perfume, but I've never ever bought their makeup before. So I do have a link that I can give you. I do get some points, I think, if you were to use my code and sign up, but again, it's all new to me, so bear with me. I'm not too sure what's going on. But hopefully, if you were to have a look, and if it was something that interested you being a part of, just think of it as a product reviewing site. So you'd go on there to search for products that you wanted information on before you bought, but also you got the chance to actually write your own reviews, and you might get something in return, and they're called Voxboxes. So yeah, so I don't know when I'll get another one, if I will ever will, I don't know. So I was super excited though, super excited. So I'll link all that details down below anyway. So let's open this up, shall we? So it comes with a little leaflet, and I have got 2 Marc Jacobs Highliners. They're eyeliner pens, gel pens or pencils. Can't wait to try, It says, congratulations, you've been selected to experience new Highliner matte gel eye crayon from Marc Jacobs. So it's got, these are the colours. So I'm assuming everyone would be sent all different colours. I have actually had a look, and I've tested it out on my fingers. I won't show you the colours that I was given just yet, but I am impressed that I've just got 2 little lines on my thumb and they have not budged. So introducing the Highliner Matte Gel Eye Crayon, matte not flat, extreme colour and waterproof. Experience the same amazing glide, instant colour payoff and waterproof wear of award-winning Highliner Gel Eye Crayon, now in bold matte formula. Intensified by super rich pigment, this malleable gel eyeliner glides on smoothly for precise application and sets in place for all day 12-hour wear. And yeah, I know that already because I can tell on my thumb. And then the leaflet just goes on to show you some eye looks you can create with your gel liners. And that's it really. So these gel liners retail for £20 on the John Lewis website, and the colours I have got is 59, a pink of me, and 57, a deja blue. So I'll just open the blue one to show you first. Super snazzy. I love the packaging. I love the packaging. So that's what that looks like there. Really smart. So that's what the end looks like if I get me up there. So by twisting the bottom, you're actually moving it up. So there's no sharpening, nothing. So it's a twisty bottom, if you can see that moving up there. So that's the amount that you get there. Average amount really. I love the design of this actually. I love the silver and the bold black writing. It's really nice. In all honesty, not a colour I would go for. If I was to go for a blue, I would choose a more electric, vibrant, darker blue or a navy. A pale blue is not the sort of colour I would go for. So I'll just show you quickly what it looks like on my hand. It is a gorgeous cornflower colour. It is really pretty. There. Can you see? It is a really pretty cornflower blue colour. Quite bright, quite bright. Let's try on my eyes. So I am wearing old makeup, my makeup and my hair, greasy hair today, so I look not my usual glam self or how I like to look, but never mind. I'll try, what can I do with this? What can I do? I'll do it underneath my eyes just to show you, just so you can see what it's like. Just a tiny bit on my, whoa, whoa, that is cool. That is really cool. Oh my word. Whoa, look how bright that is. Right, I'm just blending it with my finger, just smudging it slightly. But you know what, I'm smudging it slightly only because I have to do the school run in a bit. But this looks quite bright and quite vibrant. I would love actually to use this if I was going for quite a dramatic, dark, smoky eye. Having this as a little bit of a pop of colour would be stunning, absolutely stunning. Not my usual, as I say, but you know, there's nothing wrong with experimenting. So I'm just smudging it slightly. Ooh, it sets really quick. I found this one, smudge this one a little bit easier. This one, because it's had time to set, it's set quite, yeah, you can see the vibrance. I'm not sure if you'll be able to pick up on the camera, but it's a little bit more vibrant than this one, and it's because I can't set it, smudge it I mean, sorry. That's pretty cool, that is pretty cool. I'm just messing now, obviously, you know, I'm just adding it just to see what it's like, but that is pretty cool. I quite like that. Very soft, very soft. And you can see it's already gone down, it's quite flat looking at the top now, so the point has gone. Yeah, I mean this look on my hand, can't blend that whatsoever. I am really impressed. I am really impressed. Really impressed. Not so much on the colour, as I said, you know, it's lovely, really nice, but I'm impressed with the actual product itself. So let's go on to the second one. So this one is in a pink of me and it's shade number 59. So exactly the same packaging. There you go. Gorgeous, gorgeous packaging, but in a very pale pink colour. So let's turn this up a little bit. As you can see there, very pale pink. So I'll just swatch it lightly next to the blue. So hopefully you can see that clearly. That's a very pale pink. So gorgeous pastely colours, gorgeous pastely colours. So let's see what I can do on my eyes, shall we? Right then. Ooh, let's go in the inner corner. I'll go on the inner corner. Let's see how, ooh, do you know what? I much prefer a point. Let's see. I'm scared because if I make a mess, it sets quick. I'll just go in the inner corner lightly. Now what I would prefer to do with this, I would prefer to use it with a very, very fine brush, very similar to like an eyebrow brush. And as soon as I apply it to the lid, because it's not a precise point, I'm finding it hard to get a really nice crisp line. So I would use that brush and I would immediately go over the top and fine line it out. But I really like it. I'm not sure how much you'll be able to pick up on the camera, but yeah, it's just highlighted my wing a little bit basically. I've only just done in the outer corner there, or the inner corner I should say. Might as well do the other side. I need loads of mascara on. I've got no fake lashes on today, so if I had nice big fake lashes, this could probably look alright, I suppose. What do you think? I don't know. Doesn't look too weird. But no, I do like it. I really, really like it. So these are the two that I was given, and overall thoughts are, for the price, £20. So I've got £40 worth of product here, but £20 individually. I think when I can afford it, I am going to be looking at the other colours, definitely. I love the gel consistency. I love the fact that although it sets quite quick, you have, you know, it sets, and when it sets, it does not budge. And, you know, like as I said, well, on my hand there, I can't budge it, it doesn't come off. So I don't know how I'm going to get it off later. It feels gorgeous and soft and luxurious. I am so chuffed that I was given this opportunity to test them, and I can't wait to see what other people think of them and to see what other colours they had as well, if they've got any different colours, or unless these are the two that they're sending out to everyone. I'm not too sure, but I'm definitely going to look at the other colours. I fancy some vibrant blues and greens maybe, or a burgundy. I really want a burgundy. I could create lots and lots and lots of different looks with all these different pencils. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in having a look at Influenster for yourself, and you don't have to be a YouTuber, as I said, you do have to be on social media somewhere, so Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or whatever, I don't know what else. There is lots of different platforms that you can connect to, but and if you love reviewing and you like reading reviews, then I really recommend you having a look, and maybe it'll all become a lot clearer to you than it did to me. Because that's just me. But no, I am really excited. Now that I've had this one, I am going to continue reviewing and seeing if I will be offered another Voxbox in the future. So thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.